Some of you may not be aware of the lingering task that requires your attention. It's time to revisit those areas with a reward outlook. Return to where you paused with a fresh perspective. Whether it's the gym, personal project, business endeavors, relationships, or addressing challenges, unfinished matter are akin to boring building. Acknowledging them is the first step. That's needed is returned with a new game plan and a sense viewpoint. Express gratitude for the insight. The perspective is paramount. Recognize that finished what you started, especially is matter of the fitness and business, is imperative. Emphasize the significance of perspective. The way you perceive situation is crucial, and it's a call to action step to dwelling on past adversities like divorce or job loss. Acknowledge that altering the past is impossible, but changing how you view it is within your control. Encourage a different perspective, urging individuals to see things in a new light and emphasizing the transformative power of mindset. That perspective ups the journey. The importance of completing confusing business. Don't waste your time to completing about the relocation. Your viewpoint is your advantage, so embrace it. Express gratitude from the past backup and job terminations, acknowledging that they are open door and new opportunities. Instead of harboring bitterness, appreciate the perspective that comes with such experiences, turning them into opportunity for personal growth. Highlight the idea that not everyone needs to understand your motives, purpose, or mission. The true lie is your patience, discipline, awareness, and accountability. Stress the importance of accountability for one's actions and pose questions about the commitment level. True giving involves giving everything consistently, even in advice coordinations. Emphasize the resilience of achievers who continue building despite challenges like rain, silt, or snow. Point out the need for sacrifice, suffering, and commitment in the pursuit of goals. True commitment involves dedicating time, energy, and effort consistently. Encourage a mindset of continuous effort even during regular work hours. By dreaming, thinking, planning, and communicating to manifest goal. Challenge the audience to evaluate their commitment level and emphasize that success requires grinding, fighting, believing, and knowing that their story is worth telling. Discourage self-pity and waiting for opportunity. Instead, empower individuals to proactively seek and create opportunity for themselves.